as you can see, the banana bread is actually doing very well. So I baked it at a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius, and it bakes for a duration of 60 to 65 minutes. The reason why it takes that long, it's actually because of the overripe bananas. The sugar content is super high, so it needs more time to be broken down. And no lie, it really looks promising. And yeah, let's just wait and see.
A few moments later. The next day. One eternity later.
And yeah, aside from the craving and actually baking the banana bread and going to get a nose piercing, my weekend was actually quite slow, nothing much. The banana bread was thoroughly enjoyed, that one I can tell you for sure. And yes, I think you've seen per the footage, I got a nose piercing, which I'll get into detail on a separate video. And yeah, I'm actually digging it, no lie. Like, I really liked the location of the piercing, and I just wanted something small for starters as the healing process continues. And yeah, just trying to take the precautions. So as you can see, I am wearing a earring and chain set, which was gifted by a very special someone. It's a Swarovski, earring and chain set. I kid you not. I've had this set for 5 years, and I don't know nini menigusa leo. I decided just to wear, the whole set as it is, and yeah, I think it's matching my whole piercing. It's like the whole silver and Swarovski crystal, theme. And yeah, I really dig that, and I think I should start now wearing more of it, because I'm like, I stash a lot and I don't have kila saa the time ya kuvaa. I should start doing so. Anyway, that aside, I think, if I'm not sure you guys have noticed, I've not watched the Mics Are Open podcast for quite a long time. Ni kwa muda, so I'm trying to catch up. And I think if you guys can hear me, so this is where I watch it. This is, I think, episode 155 with, I think, Calvin, Andy, Neville, and G. So watch anyone else what the mandem are saying, and try either to trigger my thinking or just have a good laugh, or try to also kuelewa pale wanatoka, depending on what the conversation is all about. So I think that's just about it. I hope you all enjoy the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.